Actually, dapat introduction to for cars. For our project cars, malamya na dahil exposed sa araw. Pintura ay ano na, faded, nagdilim na, kulang na sa buhay. Hindi naman usually gamot ay pintura agad. Though may mga cases na kailangan talaga pinturahan na. Dali ingay. And anyways, itong particular project na to, tagal na sa atin to, malabo na yung pintura niya. So, tinaray namin i-paint correction. Somehow, diniskartehan namin para makuha namin kung mapapakintab pa namin. Somehow, we got some good results. Hanap ako mga video or kung sa mga video makikita niyo pa malabo na yung pintura. Pero ngayon, nasabi ko yung secret. Liha is the way, pare. With the right chemicals. Hindi ko alam kung pwede ko sabihin yung chemicals eh. Then you'll get these results. Second life, second chance of life. Sobrang faded na nito yung hood. Hindi ko alam ano ginawa ng mga tao. May alam ko actually kasi yung point ko is it's now alive. Mas maganda na siya. Mabangis. Yan chemical. Okay, so about the GSR, nakuha namin to white. May kintab pero biglang nag-fade. Biglang nag-fail yung kulay. Though syempre mga taama na rin maliliit. Hindi naman to car show. Pang project to. Hindi tayo nagka-car show po. Meet lang ang pupuntahan. So at least presentable. And this is it. It's beautiful. It's nice. Buhay na ulit. So happy naman. Though hindi pa tapos. Okay. While we're here, ito yung isa. Nakita nyo na ito siguro. Yung Corolla. Ito ang pintura niya. Maganda yung kulay. Though dull na dull. Ito yung pinitreat namin. So lumang bago. Mukhang bago. Bagong pinturang medyo luma. Well, update you guys. Yun lang. Introduction or something or some sort. Pero yun, that's what we do here. We clean. Bigyan ng tsansa. Kung walang tsansa. Patay. Medyo patay. Buhay. So yun nga guys, ito yung GSR natin. Matagal na to sa atin actually. Problema, hindi ako masyado nakapag-update because nasa kapatid ko to. Dahil kanya naman yan. And he has moved on to a new project. Abangan natin yon. Also, itong GSR is actually, yung era niya, wala siyang kasabay except for the hatchback talaga na 2-door. Ito medyo affordable 2-door. Totoo lang, honestly, I am stuck in the Mitsubishi brand as of the moment. Ewan ko ba? Ang lakas ng attraction sa akin na itong 3 diamond na to. It's really nice. Alam mo yun, it's not that fast, pero grabe ang cool niya kasi, diba, 2-door. Nothing beats a cool 2-door na hindi sports car at hindi uubusan ng wallet mo. So marami na siya naging transformation. I'll try my best para makapag-update. Yun lang. If you're gonna start with a GSR, alam nyo naman magkano lang yan. Wala pang 200 yan. Panalo ka na. Dami yung magagawa. Marami ding muka. So best kung meron kang mahanap na medyo restored na, i-finish mo na lang ng iyong panlasa. That's what I like about this one. Oh, I miss the GTI. Nakakamiss. Kita mo na, lumabas pa sa music video yan, yo. So yun na nga, pinaint correction natin. You can do this DIY or go to your professional detailer kung medyo kabado ka pa. Pero ang lesson here is you always have to look at the brighter side. Next brighter side. Pero diba, if it's faded or maano na yung malamya na, may solution. You just have to find it. Look for it. Kaya yan. Huwag ka mag-aalala. Kaya mo yan. And look at the GSR's face. Sobrang ganda. I really love it. JDM. Look na. Grabe. So, yung GSR natapos na namin. Now, nabigyan ng given sa second chance to shine. It's not the brightest. Diba? Hindi naman sobrang kintab. Pero putya, hindi na flat. Diba? Ang ganda pag actually, kung nakita nyo talaga dati ito, sobrang fade. Hindi ko alam anong ginawa ng mga tao. Though, nakubad sila kasi sobrang init eh. Wala tayong magagawa. Pero ito na yung result ng ating hard work. Looks damn awesome. Sabi ko, not the brightest because hindi naman pang car show. Pero laban na yan. Maganda na yan. So yun, you can check it out with us or anywhere na feeling nyo professional. So ayan, the GSR is running on Lenzos na Maglite 17 is very rare, very light, awesome. And ito yung 4-door version niya, yung Lancer CK or the Evo 4. Ayun, magkaiba syempre lang ay mukha. Iba sila na mukha, and syempre 2-door, the GSR is running on 4G92 SOC engine, medyo bitin pero pwede na yan. And the Corolla is there, and the boys, yun lang. It was a great day for restoring paint. Let's look back to the Grand Spec anniversary in Danghari. Oh no! Oh no! Man, actually, it's 1 o'clock plus pa lang. But it's raining. So hopefully. Yeah. So today ang first year anniversary ba ng Grand Spec? Yan. Kasama natin si Kevin. Siya si Mr. Grand Spec. So nagpe-prep up lang tayo. Kaso yun nga. Pero mukhang maliwanag pa naman. So may chance pa naman. Today we'll be going to the Grand Spec anniversary meet with our friends from the Dope Boys. And naantay na lang natin si Sir Poy Dalay Flores. Everyone's here. Mercedes-Benz. So yun na nga, we're all gonna go to the sa Joe Drive sa Danghari for the first year anniversary ni Grand Spec. Who is Grand Spec? Grand Spec is actually a merchant. Nagbebenta siya ng mga shirts, mga fashion, alam mo naman yan. And it's run by Kevin, yung naka-Camry na black. And as you can see here, lahat ng Dope Boys and the family are there to support him. Ganun tayo pare, magkakaibigan, lagi natin susuportahan. O yun, so yan, papunta tayo and you can see all the lineup of the Dope Boys. Ayan, yung Q45, nandiyan pa nga. And yan, si Mr. Pogi. Mr. Pogi natin. Napaka big time pare, ang daming bala niyan. Anyways, ang ganda pa rin ng Q45. Everyone was going there, and also, yun nga, this was in 2024, sorry, November 16. 1 year too late natin na-upload. Pero anyways, we'll do our best to give everything, the experience to you guys. Mga nangyayari sa buhay natin, sa mga project cars natin. At yun, sana ma-enjoy nyo. Never stop hanging out with friends, doing your cars and everything. And having fun with family. Yun ang the best pare. Happy lang tayo lagi ganyan. So yun, here we go. Enjoy it guys. So yun na nga, no? So medyo hapon pa, nag-aantay kami, medyo mainit. Na actually hindi namin expect yung turnout. Kasi yun nga, alangan yung weather. Una umuulan, biglang naging maaraw. Nagulat kami, people keep on, parang dating sila, iba-iba, halo-halo, mga tropa, mga hindi namin kilala. Everyone was there. It was actually a great event sa Daang Hari. Again, this was last year, 2024, first year anniversary ni Grand Spec. Dapat niya may second year anniversary na, kaso wala pa. Pero you can see here, a lot of friends are coming in and out sila. At actually, makikita niyo mamaya, inabot kami ng gabi. Nagkakaroon ng ilaw na wawala, yun lang yung medyo isang letdown. Pero it's not gonna stop people from enjoying na sa maghang, alam mo yan. So it was a really great event. I do hope sana ma-enjoy niyo itong video. Puro video sa lang to, so ng event. So I'll just put some sounds. Tingnan nyo na rin mga kotse, mga type nyo. Ang dami mga rare. Marami rin talagang mga kaibigan to si Grand Spec. Di ko alam, baka kasi punchable face kaya siya ganun. Joke lang. Congrats, sir. Really proud of you, pare. Sana magkaroon na tayo ng second year anniversary para kita-kita ulit magkasama-sama. It was a great night. Oh, so guys, ano masasabi niyo sa black party?
Black. Makita eh.
Ano masasabi mo sa black?
Bakit na walang kuryente. Napapas.
Oh guys, ano masasabi niyo?
What a day.
Wala naman. Hindi. Alright, welcome back. Kailaw na. So, check it out. Ang dami pumunta. Dami, stick impress. There are fucking lot of beautiful cars, man. Stick. Nagkailaw na, astig, masaya na. Yan.
Yan si Piro Boys. Ano, sa dulo?
Yun, salamat. Congrats, Mr. Grand Spec. Yeah. Si Dagsan, oh.
Yo!
Working.
Fuck you!
Ngayon ka pa dumating? Anong oras na?
Uwi na ba?
Hindi pa. Stick, sige. Salpa ka. Oh. Oh, magsi-7 Daming kotse, pare. I think everyone has good vibes. Good evening. So lumipat kami ng pwesto. Nandito na kami sa Petronivia. Konti na kami nandito, honestly. So it's the gang. Ito kay Colonel. Bastos niya. Ayun. Pau ng coach ni Tim. Puntahan natin to a few days pa, but somehow tinatroubleshoot tayo yata ang mga ito yung after party sa Petronivia. Mr. Grand Spec, motherfucker. Salamat, sir.
Boy, kero.
Yan.